one of the things that is really interesting in being at a show like this Peak Performance Print event in Brussels is that you, of course, learn a lot of different things. And one of the things that you get to know is also about technology. Yesterday evening I had the pleasure to have dinner with a very interesting gentleman, Stefan, and I'm going to have a little chat with him because he is responsible for a new business division with Fujifilm. So Stefan, welcome to INKISH, and please tell us a little bit what you're doing.
Yeah, so basically I'm the European Sales and Business Development Manager for the Fujifilm Integrated Inkjet Solutions group. As you mentioned, so this is a new group we have founded as part of the Dymatics group, which is our manufacturer for the inkjet heads, mainly known for the Samba head, but we have more heads than this. And what we're doing is we're providing imprinting solution to the industry. It can be in the commercial printing segment, packaging, but all the way to industrial applications where we can do imprinting.
Would it be wrong to say that if you have an inkjet need that can't be served with a traditional press, this is where you come into play?
So this could be one option, or the other option would be that you're maybe not ready to go into a digital complete press because you have existing equipment you would like to utilize. So and would be the moment when we can come in and say, you know, we can add digital imprinting to your existing line, to your conventional line, and have the possibility to print with the line you have on site variable data input.
One of the things we spoke about yesterday evening too was also that sometimes you have projects that are very, very fast initiated and implemented, and sometimes you have projects that last a long time. Being responsible in sales for a new project like the integration solutions that you're talking about here, how impatient are you in getting going?
So, luckily, so we were around not as an individual division, but as part of Dymatics. So we have a lot of experience in producing and integrating our print bars. So it's nothing completely new, but I agree with you. Some of the projects are development projects. So customers in the industry would like to see like a product in 4 or 5 years from now having like special imprinting features, and this can last. It can be a long development, but on the other hand, we have existing products replacing legacy heads, which is available today. And also, like I said, with the print bar, we have a lot of experience and also products we can sell today.
Is it? I think a lot of people may not know so much about this. Is it a very competitive market, or how do you see that?
I would say it's a competitive market. There are a lot of OEM integrators out there integrating heads from different suppliers. I think one of our biggest advantage we have there is that we own the technology. So Fujifilm is the owner of the imprinting or like the inkjet heads, as well as the ink. We can produce it also in our factories, and we can develop the best combination out of our own heads, our own ink for the application of the customer. So we are basically owning the technology, and it makes it easier to integrate it.
And when you talk about owning both the technology and the ink and all those things, it must be interesting because you can also form the products based on the demands from customers, right?
Exactly. So then we know, if we understand the application of the customer, what he wants to achieve, substrate, speed, quality, we find the perfect combination out of the head, the ink, and then we build a system out of it. We design the system especially to the need of the customer. We integrate the system into his application, into his workflow, and then we integrate it physically into his existing line, either be like an inline or nearline solution.
You want more customers, of course. So what kind of customers should reach out to you?
So basically, whoever has like an imprinting need can reach out to us, and it can be like in the commercial sector, like a mail application, promo, transactional, where you want to get to the next steps because those guys have experience with imprinting. Or if you have like a product where you need like late stage customization or late stage printing, this is basically, you know, the industry and the customers we would like to visit and convince about our solutions.
Do I remember wrong? But you also mentioned that, I mean, the versatility of the Samba printheads, for example, is so versatile that you can also use it in ceramics and textile and all kinds of applications, right?
Maybe that was after the second beer, so...
Okay, let's cut that out then. Okay.
No, we have like different heads, like the ceramic and so on. That's the Starfire technology. The Samba head is more like the high quality commercial application and packaging application.
Sorry about that.
No problem.
So, Stefan, last question here is if customers, I mean, I understand that people that have a defined need for inline solutions, of course, they know what you can offer and what they need, basically, right? But is it also an opportunity for people that have, let's say, entirely new ideas for new types of products and applications? Is that also you that you reach out to?
Yes, absolutely, and this is like mainly coming also from industry, but it can be also like in our commercial imprinting scenario or section, that you have an idea and you don't know really how to do it, and we have a lot of experience from more than 20 years being in the inkjet industry, so we will find a solution and we can work together on like the best solution for that customer.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.